Welcome to MyTherapyNet. If you're a mental health care provider looking to add online therapy to your practice, MyTherapyNet is the place to list your practice and set up your secure online therapy office. Client privacy and well-being comes first at MyTherapyNet, and we prioritize providing you with the tools and knowledge necessary to uphold HIPAA standards and the specific legal and ethical requirements of the field of psychotherapy. We aim to help you protect your clients and your license. In this video series, I am going to show you exactly what to do to set up a secure, HIPAA-compliant online therapy office and how to market it online. Now, I'll get to that in a bit. First, I want to tell you about our CEO and founder, Dr. Kat Derrig-Palumbo. Dr. Kat is known in the industry as one of the pioneers of the online therapy movement. Her book, Online Therapy, A Therapist's Guide to Expanding Your Practice, is the culmination of her detailed experience in setting up, training, and managing the largest network of online therapists globally. She is an expert speaker on the subject, called upon regularly by the AAMFT, CAMFT, and other national and international psychological associations. Online therapy has not always been the accepted practice it is today. Now, online therapy is experiencing massive growth due to the clear successes that online therapy has demonstrated with regard to providing access to mental health services to patients that are homebound, stigmatized, or geographically remote from in-person services. Now it's hard to find a therapist who's not Skyping their clients. Now, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but although Skype is great for talking with friends and family, Skype is not a secure means of communicating with your clients. In fact, there have been quite a few high-profile cases of just how very public, private Skype calls can actually be. And although there has not been any litigation yet, do you really want to be the first? Do you want to risk the confidentiality of your clients? Of course not. And I promise you that with Dr. Kat and MyTherapyNet, you will not have to worry about whether you're doing it right. We are going to walk you step by step on how to set up your own super secure, therapy-appropriate, HIPAA-compliant online therapy office. And I'll get to that in the next video. Right now, let's get you started with the first step. I'm going to walk you through creating your MyTherapyNet user account. Step 1. Click on Member Registration in the gray action bar. We've also put a big link down below the video for you. Step 2. Set up your free account. It only takes 20 seconds. Step 3. Set up your free listing. To do that, click on Add Therapy Listing in the blue menu bar. Note how to enter extra specialties by clicking the plus sign. For the following areas that require writing, put in some fillers or info you previously have written for the moment. It's more important that you get started than to be perfect. In a later video, we will show you exactly how to compose these passages so you convert as many visitors to paying clients as possible. So for now, just put in some filler. Now, under additional details, you'll be able to indicate your professional information. The only required field for now is your email address. You can always come back and fill in anything you don't have handy. Remember, perfect is the enemy of good enough. We want you to get started quickly because later in the video series, we will show you everything you need to know how to optimize your online brand and presence. That's a video all on its own, and yes, it's free. We'll get to that in a bit. Now, fill in your office address. Next, upload your headshot. Again, you can do this later if you don't have one handy. Finally, accept our terms and conditions and click Continue. Review your information. Click back if you need to correct anything. If you've uploaded a picture, it is there, don't worry. Otherwise, click Continue. You're done. Now, if you haven't followed along with the video, go ahead and click the member registration below or in the gray action bar and get started. After you complete your listing, you'll be emailed a link to your next free training video in which we will show you step by step how to set up your online therapy office so that you can be certain you are offering the highest level of security and HIPAA compliance to your patients possible.